Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Hamster Kombat app on your mobile device. This works for both Android and iOS device users. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, to do this you need to go ahead and if you don't have Telegram, download Telegram from your Play or App Store. You can't directly download Hamster Kombat inside your Play or App Store. It's a fake and I wouldn't do it. So the only way you can do it is by getting Telegram. So I'm inside Telegram now, and once you're inside Telegram, do a search here for Hamster Kombat. Here it is here. It's verified, so go ahead and click into that. And now go ahead and click onto start. And now from here, you can have a read of this. Hello, welcome to Hamster Kombat. You're now the director of a crypto exchange. So you can click on play in one click, subscribe to the channel, or how to earn from the game. If you're curious on how to earn from the game, go ahead and click onto that. But for this demonstration, I'm going to show you. So click on play in one click. And now to launch this web app, you will need to connect to its website. So go ahead and click on start. And now let this box load up, this new screen. So here you go here. Hamster Kombat token will be launched on TON. Stay tuned, more info in official channels. And now this has been successfully opened and you can start using it. So from here, what you want to do is where it says tap and earn coins, you can use boosters and tricky strategies. So go ahead and click onto next, have a read, so pump up the hamster, go all the way and become this best CEO. Click next, next, you can invite friends. It's a good idea to join the Telegram channel as well if you haven't. And then subscribe to our community and socialize. Click on next again. And now from here, you can go ahead and click on play. So I'll give you a quick demonstration. We're going to click on play. Click here to receive a gift. There we go. So here are my coins. I've got 100 because I clicked that. If I keep clicking on this hamster here, keep getting more coins. And you can see you got daily rewards, daily cipher, daily combo, and you got mini games you can play to give you more coins as well. You've got mine, playground, friends, earn, and all that as well. So you can have a look around to earn more coins inside Hamster Kombat.